Hi everyone, welcome to the Create My Banners June 31st webinar. My name is Carrie. Today we're going to be discussing how to upload image assets, setting up your sites and campaigns, and creating your first banner. We will take some time at the end to answer any questions you have about the site. When you first log in, you're going to come to the site's page. One of the first things you will want to do though is click Assets and then start uploading images for use in your banners. So we're going to start by uploading some clip art for the pictures. As you can see, I've already uploaded a couple just to get us started, but we're going to upload one more. To do so, we'll click Upload Clip Art, choose a file, and we're going to choose a Bicep Builder logo. We're going to give it an appropriate name for just organizational purposes, say Bicep Builder logo. The keywords are useful because later on you'll be able to search for them when you're creating your actual banners. Once you have entered in your title and keywords, you're just going to click that you acknowledge that you have the rights to use the image. This is just for legal purposes and to remind you that you need to have the ability to use the image whenever you're publishing any kind of advertisement. As you can see, it uploaded right here. We can click on one of the images to manage it, and if you decide later on you don't want it, you can always delete it. Next, we're going to upload a background. These are a little bit different from the clip arts, but stay with me here. When you go to the backgrounds, you can see how they're organized by the advertisement size. By clicking one of the sizes, you'll get a drop-down that will have all the different backgrounds you've uploaded. To upload one, we're just going to click Upload Background. We'll choose a background from our image. Let's just go with a brown one. And we're just going to name it. Again, this is just for organizational purposes. You can name it whatever you like. If you have a small background that you want to repeat, particularly patterns or small images that you want to span the whole width, then you're going to choose to repeat it. In my case, I want it to stretch to fill the whole background since it's a gradient, so I'm not going to click that. You can choose which sizes you want the background to be applied to. So for example, if you have a vertical image, you might not want it to apply to you might not want it to apply to horizontal sized ads. So you would want to unclick those. You can easily unclick or click all the ads just by clicking all banner sizes, and it'll do the opposite of it'll just mimic them to what it's set to. When you're done, click again that you have the appropriate rights to use the image and click Upload Background. As you can see, the one we just uploaded is already in the list. If you want it to delete at any time, you can just click Delete and it will disappear. Next, we're going to go back to sites. As you can see, I've already entered a few, but we're going to start with a new site today. So we're going to click Add Site. Today, since we uploaded the Bicep Builder logo, we're going to use the Bicep Builder site as a demo. And we'll just click Create Site. When you create a site, it will automatically go into the site, but you can also access it by going to your sites and then clicking the site from the name. You will want to start by adding a campaign. You can name it something like General if it's just a basic advertisement for the site, or perhaps you want it just to be the summer promotion. Let's call this one August Promo. and click Create Campaign when you're ready to go. Again, it will go back into the one that you just created, so that to save you a click, but you can also access it from your sites and then just click it from the list. And let's create a banner by clicking Add Banner, and then you will need to choose a size. If you're not sure what the size names and sizes mean, just click Preview and a demo will show up below it. Today, let's go with medium rectangle. And we're going to choose a layout. All of our layouts are pre-designed by our professional graphic designers to help optimize the size of your ads, the look of them, and the basic structures of your advertisements. My computer is just taking a second to load the image, and so for now we'll just name the banner. Since this one's for Bicep Builder and it's an August promo, we're going to call it medium rectangle and August. We can choose background layouts or base color layouts. This is important more for transparent colored backgrounds or if you decide to delete the background altogether. So let's make the color, let's go with a nice blue. Then we can choose the actual background. As you can see, this layout happens to have the earth background, but we're going to choose one a little bit different. The background that you have uploaded through the site will appear at the top, followed by any publicly available images. To select an image, just click on it and you'll see the immediate change in your image. And I know I have some images lately that are more fitted for this, so I'm just going to find one of the appropriate images. Okay, this one should do well. So as you can see, the image just fills up the background. And let's replace the logo since obviously this isn't our logo. We're going to use the image we just uploaded, and you can see it in the background. You'll want to choose one that shows up well against your ad. For example, if I use the dark one, we can't really read it. Next, we're going to change the text element. Because the sky is notable, or sorry, the sky is not the limit, doesn't really fit for Bicep Builder. Let's just make it something simple like get fit. Again, as soon as you change it, you should see the effect immediately. We have a variety of different fonts. I encourage you to play around with them, check them out, and determine which ones will fit your brand best. You can change the color by using the color picker, the same way we did for the background. Let's make this an orange. And you can change the font size. Once you are done or just want to finish editing for now, just click Done Editing. Or if you were ready to purchase it and you like it just the way it is, you can click Purchase. As you can see, we return back to our campaigns page, and our banners will be organized by the size within the campaign. You can click the ad size, and you can see all the banners from the ad within it. If there's one you like, but you want to keep the copy you have and possibly make a change, say you want to change the background or something, you can click Clone. and that will make a second copy of the same ad that you can then edit. Now, as you can see, when I go back, I now have the two ads. If you want to share it, say with a friend, a boss, and you want to see how it looks, you can click share, and it'll download the watermarked copy for you onto your screen. And that will let you email it, Facebook it, or share it however you like. When you're ready to purchase it, just click purchase, and it will appear in your shopping cart. If you click shopping cart, you can see all the ones I have in here. To remove something, just click remove, and it shows back, finishes up. You can add any other banners to your shopping cart easily, or add all unpaid ones quickly. If you use the Fast Pay button, I've had a few questions about that. What it is it will pay with the card that we have on file for you from your subscription. If you want to enter your own one, just click purchase with card. There will be a pop-up and you can fill in your credit card information there. And that concludes the walkthrough. Did anyone else have any questions? When you create a banner, you will have it indefinitely. Once you pay for it, it's yours to download whenever you like, as many times as you like. The only thing is, after it has been paid for, you can't edit it. So from there, you can clone it if you like, or you can clone it and modify it, but then you would have to pay for that one. That's just to prevent people from making one banner and then changing it, downloading it again, and just using that indefinitely. You can't really sign up others. They would need to sign up themselves, although we do have a referral link. If you go to your name and click My Account, you can see at the top there is a referral link. Right now we don't have a referral program, but it does list them as your referrals. So later on, if we do have a referral program, you would receive commissions or however that works, depending on whatever they buy. It would be classified as your referral. You have to pay for the subscriptions and then you purchase the banners as well. The reason we actually ended up doing this was because we wanted to keep it affordable for people who would only be downloading one or two banners, as well as people who would be downloading banners all the time. So the way we saw it is we could have either a really high subscription cost, but then it would deter the people who wanted to only download a couple. Or we could have the cost to download per banner as higher, but then it would be unfortunate for those who want to download a lot. So the way we compromised was to have the subscription fee that covers all the hosting of the graphics that you upload and the continuous hosting of the site and the public images. And then the cost to download the banners for using the actual service itself. We use a lot of free for use sources, as well as having images provided by our own photographers and graphic designers, and we upload them for public use. From all the free ones we looked at, none of them will organize them by site and campaign in a similar way to your graphic designer would. We focused on allowing you to sort them, as well as uploading your backgrounds and images and then constantly hosting them so that way you could use them. For your branding, you may want to use images that are used on your site or logos that you already have existing. A lot of them are available free online in various sources, or for backgrounds for your own ads, what you can do is go to places like Shutterstock or Dreamstime and find freely available backgrounds and logos that you can use with your site. For your subscription, you have unlimited access to the site. You can upload your images, you can create your sites and campaigns and organize them, as well as you'll have the ability to access the referral program once we have it, which is coming up soon, and access to the shopping cart. If you have different ad sizes, they are considered different banners, so you would have to pay for them separately. You would just be able to group them in the campaign. You don't have to pay for them until you're ready to download the watermark-free version. So you can do it as many times as you like and try out different samples and then download only when you're pay and download only when you're ready to purchase it. You don't need a referral link if you want to sign up. Just go to createmybanners.com and click join now. We aren't requiring referrals. Can you animate the banners? We don't support banner animations at this time. That's not to say that we won't later. Your uploaded images can only be used by yourself. They are not public for anyone else. Only the ones that admins upload will be publicly available. Right now, we don't have a referral program in place. We just have the link so that way when we do, you will get credit for them. For now, the referral program is still in discussion for a later version. If you have any other questions, feel free to go to Create My Banners and click Contact Us, and we will reply to you within 24 hours. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day.